Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario Bros. Playing classic games like Super Mario Bros. On a computer is simpler than you might think. You will need two main components, an emulator and a game ROM. An emulator is a special program that mimics an older game console, allowing your computer to run its games. A ROM is essentially a digital copy of the original game cartridge. Together, these two elements bring retro gaming to your screen. Once you understand the basics, the next step is finding the necessary files. You can easily search online for an NES emulator to find software that runs Nintendo Entertainment System games. Some well-known and reliable options include FSU and Nestopia. After securing an emulator, you will need the Super Mario Bros. Game ROM. Be sure to download these files from reputable websites to ensure safety and avoid any unwanted software. With your emulator and game ROM ready, it is time to set up and play. First, install the emulator software on your computer. This process usually takes only a few minutes. Once installed, open the emulator and use its menu to load the Super Mario Bros. ROM file you downloaded. Next, customize your controls. You can map actions to your keyboard or connect a USB gamepad for a more authentic feel. Finally, adjust any video or audio settings to your preference. To truly enhance your Super Mario Bros. experience, explore some advanced emulator features. Save states are incredibly useful, allowing you to save your game progress at any exact moment and reload it instantly, which is much more flexible than the original game system. Many emulators also offer a fast-forward option, perfect for quickly navigating through familiar levels. You can also apply visual filters to replicate the classic 8-bit television display. For the best control, a USB gamepad is highly recommended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.